Hey everyone, and welcome back to Greg Out and About. Hey, if you own an RV and you're wondering if and why you should join an owner community at an upcoming rally, this video is for you. This summer I had the opportunity to attend an Rpod Rally. This was a 4-day event that took place at Fort Stevens State Park here at the very northwest tip of Oregon State. It was a really well-attended event. There was about 50 Rpods there. They were built between the initial build year of 2011 and as new as 2023, and 99 attendees came to the event from as far as Tennessee. One of my favorite things about going to rallies is to renew old friendships and to make new ones. I've been attending rallies since I had my first RV, which was a teardrop trailer. Many of you know that. I owned my teardrop trailer for 6 years before moving to a larger Rpod travel trailer about 5 years ago. Over the years, I made literally hundreds of camping friends by going to rallies across the Northwest, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, and British Columbia. In fact, many of us in my teardrop group have invested in other types of travel trailers, generally larger ones, but we all still get together many times throughout the camping season in whatever our current camper is. So our group is now considered the I currently or once owned a teardrop trailer group. So I guess the first reason why you should go to rallies is because you'll make friends who will always make room for you at the campfire. Now, back at the Rpod Rally this year, I made a ton of new friends because the event was so well attended. And I will look so forward to seeing everyone again in 2024 with more stories to share. Big thanks to the event organizers, Stephanie and Laura, who put in so many hours of hard work to make sure we could all just show up and have a great time. Secondly, we share our best and most innovative ideas with one another. Over the course of the weekend at the Rpod Rally, we had these signs posted on our Rpods. By displaying this side, out touring, it meant I was out about in the campground somewhere, touring other Rpods to get ideas around organization, gadgets, repairs, upgrades, decor, and travel experiences. It meant I would be back soon. Now, displaying the other side, which says Pod Tour, meant that I was hosting at my Rpod anybody who wanted to see my decor, my innovations, my pod mods, hear about my travel experiences, etc. And so it was a great way for us to be able to share our experiences and our best practices with each other. So also at the event, we had some presentations. I was asked to make a presentation about my 15,000-mile, 18-week journey to the national parks around the USA. You can find all of those episodes right here on my channel. Now, here, as you can see, I'm talking about what I learned, what worked well, what I could have done differently, and of course shared my favorite travel experiences with everybody else at our national parks and my experience with my Rpod. Now, just incidentally, I gave my Rpod an A- because it needed a few very small repairs over my 18-week trip. Nothing major, so absolutely did great. At another presentation, we learned about the best electrical practices through the lens of a near disaster that another attendee shared with us. Isn't it great sharing this knowledge? I came away with a checklist of wonderful ideas and mods that I'll be installing in my Rpod as I get ready for my 6th season of travel. Now, third, let's talk about food. One of the best parts of camping, right? You might find this hard to believe, but I didn't know what a pie iron was before this rally. A pie iron is basically a 2-sided cast iron device that you use to cook food directly over a campfire. So we had a pie iron fiesta for dinner and for breakfast the next day. Just put your fixing inside and cook it over the fire.
This is my breakfast sandwich pie iron.
And you can set my
All right, so, oh God, oh. All right,
No, I got one. I've got my
okay,
first
so you
one is
do
right
this,
there. And I knew.
hook it in there, and you smash it down, like that, right?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's burnt.
2 minutes aside. Here we go.
And I'll shower my trailer 3 times on one tank of water. So, like, and I have no phone.
All right. Okay, I think it's ready. Here we go. Okay, don't burn anybody on the way over. Don't burn
That's how I
anybody.
felt.
Okay, then you unlatch it right here. Oh. Okay, let me turn it over. Let me turn it over. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Is that a beaut? Okay.
I enjoyed this so much that I went out and bought some pie irons of my own. And I will be looking for some favorite recipes. So if you are so inclined, you can leave your favorite recipe in the comments to share with others. Now, we also had a huge potluck on our final night together. Even though it rained, we all had a great time and a delicious dinner. You know, even though it was a little wet, it will forever be a shared experience because at future rallies you'll say, remember in 2023 when it rained on our potluck? And everyone who was there will remember it, right? So part of this potluck event was that we were able to share recipes of what we brought, and I will be looking forward to making this chili mac recipe that I got from a fellow attendee at a future campout. So maybe I'll make it with some biscuits or cornbread baked up right over the fire in my new pie iron. So come on, don't be shy and get yourself to a rally. You'll meet new awesome people, learn stuff, and you'll eat well. If you're new to RVing or you've never joined the user community for your particular RV, go online and check it out. There may be a Facebook group or even a rally in your area or in an area that you would like to visit. Get involved, meet some new people, enjoy getting great ideas to make your rolling home away from home more comfortable. For my Rpodding and tear-dropping friends, I cannot wait to camp with you again really soon. Until then, take care. Bye, everybody.
Okay, I'm just leaving the Rpod Rally and gonna say final farewell to all my Rpodding friends. Right here. Here we go.
Bye, my friend!